What's up, y'all? Look how cute. All right. We got our mesh. Let's get our frame. Y'all, I'm going to use this dark blue for our base. So I'm just going to fold that cut end over. Gonna curl in those two outside edges just a little bit. And then ruffle. Then we're gonna go all the way around with 10-inch poofs. Give that a good twist. Measure out 10 inches. And just add those all the way around. So 10-inch poofs all the way around the top. All right, so with this, we have 10 twist ties around the bottom of the frame. So we're gonna cut 10 30-inch ruffles. I'm gonna alternate my mesh, so I'm gonna need 5 of each. All right, 30, 5 cuts. All right, let's get our base back out. Y'all, we're gonna take our 30-inch ruffle and we're gonna curl it in twice on each end. Listen, if you go once, if you go 3 times, if you go 5 times, it doesn't matter. Just curl it. All you're trying to do is hide those edges so that when it frays, you can't see that mess everywhere. All right, so it looks like a scroll. That's correct. Then you're just gonna ruffle it right down the middle so that it looks like bow tie pasta. Then you're gonna add your bow ties all the way around the bottom. Grab our next mesh. Curl up both ends. Give it a little ruffle. Add your ruffle right to your frame. All right, so we got our 10-inch poofs all the way around the top. Then we did our 30-inch ruffles all the way around the bottom. So now we're gonna cut 20-inch strips and we're gonna go right around the top here. We're gonna need 4 of each color. There's 8 twists. All right, get our little pasta made and we're gonna add these all the way around. Once again, it doesn't matter if you put them upside or downside because there's really no right side. You're just adding them in. You're just filling this out, getting it nice and full. Look how pretty. This is a heavier metal, so I probably would not use sticky mounts on this, to be honest. So I am going to use pipe cleaners to tie it in. So this one already comes with holes in it, so I'm just going to utilize those. Get that twisted off. Y'all, I'm just going to get my pipe cleaner wrapped around the frame. All right. Got our sign nice and attached. Y'all, let's make our bow. All right, let's get started. This is some thick ribbon, y'all. All right, we're gonna do about a 7-inch loop. All right, our loop's just a little bit smaller. All right, now I didn't have any navy that was 2.5 inches. So I'm gonna just skip over to a 1.5 and use it next to get that blue in here. Y'all, next I'm gonna go with my ornament ribbon. All right, last one is just a tail with one single loop for our center. All right, y'all, we're gonna take our pipe cleaner, wrap it right around the center here. Get a good pinch and just tie it off. Now, these ribbons should not have gone together, right? Well, at least not all of them. But whenever you think about not pulling just your ribbons to match your bow, but your ribbons match your sign, and your sign is your focal, you can break a few rules. All right, she's nice and full. All right, so I like for my signs to hang down here at an angle. So my bow is gonna go right up here at the top. All right, tying that off to the frame. All right, now ribbon tails. What are we gonna do about ribbon tails? Gonna use my ribbon tail board. Gonna cut my tails at 13 inches. I'm gonna guess 7 of each. All right, so that's 7 of each of those to pair up. So we're just gonna start with any 2 colors. Doesn't really matter which 2. Layer them together, give them a good pinch. Fold them. I like to fold them till these two wires touch. Then you're just gonna put them right into the twists that are already on the frame. And tie them off. Once you get them in there good and tied off, make sure you spread them out. All right, so I'm just alternating the two ribbon colors back and forth. Our goal with our ribbon tails was to bring every color here into the ribbon, into the wreath, and make it go all the way around. All right, y'all, we're gonna dovetail our ribbon and our bow. Just a fun little basic deco mesh wreath. All right, y'all, that's it. All the supplies came from decoexchange.com. All right, bye, y'all.